Hey runners! Want to prevent injuries and boost your performance on the road? Today, we're diving into the power of strength training and how it can transform your running game. Let's lace up and get started. The benefits of strength training for runners, emphasizing injury prevention and performance improvement. It discusses how strength training helps to correct muscle imbalances, enhance stability, and increase power and endurance. Key exercises include squats, lunges, deadlifts, and core exercises, all of which target specific muscle groups essential for running. By incorporating strength training into your routine, you'll not only reduce the risk of common running injuries, but also improve your running economy and overall performance. Squats and lunges strengthen the lower body, while deadlifts build posterior chain strength. Core exercises enhance stability and maintain proper running form. So there you have it, runners! Strengthen those muscles, prevent injuries, and elevate your running game with these essential strength training exercises. Lace up those shoes, hit the pavement, and let's crush those miles together.